Good day viewers, welcome to Vario's Kitchen channel. Today I'll be teaching how to make vanilla chiffon cake. Here is my recipe. Chiffon cake is a very soft and light cake made with vegetable oil, eggs, sugar, flour, baking powder and flavorings. To achieve a fluffy texture of chiffon cake, egg white must be beaten separately until stiff and then folded into the cake batter before baking. Now, please subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel, and also give me a thumb up if at the end of this video you like it. Hit the bell notification button so that you'll be getting my notification each time I upload a new video. Here on my table I have the flour, which is 2 1/4 cup, 2 cups, 2 complete cup and a quarter. I have 5 large eggs. I also have 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon vanilla bean mixed together, and I stirred it. Now I have baking powder 1 tablespoon, cream of tartar half teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, cold water 3/4 cup, vegetable oil half cup. Now start by separating your eggs into different bowls, that is keeping your egg white in one bowl and then the egg yellow, which is the yolk, in a different bowl. Now do this separation carefully so that they will not mix together. You can use your hand and pick out the egg. You can also use the eggshell to separate the egg, and at the same time you can break the egg into the bowl and pick it out using your spoon. You have to do this mostly if you are sure that the eggs you are using here are fresh eggs, because if the eggs are not fresh, as soon as you break it, the yolk would want to mix together with the white. So now break them one at a time to ensure that you don't break a rotten egg into the good ones. Now do it carefully. You can see what I'm doing. As you remove the yolk, you pour it into a separate bowl, and then put the white into a separate bowl. I'm using the shell now to separate it. Now I've gotten all my egg, so the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to pour the egg white into my mixing bowl, and then I will start mixing. After some time I will add half cup of the sugar, the total sugar I'm using for this recipe, and I'll start mixing, and then I'll add my cream of tartar. Now the cream of tartar is measured together with my baking powder, but I'm collecting only the side where the cream of tartar is placed. Now I am adding my half cup of sugar. Now while this is mixing, let's go back to the main batter. Into a bowl you pour in your flour, your baking powder, and every other ingredients. You have the remaining sugar, which is half cup. Now you can add more sugar if you like it so sweet, but I just like mine like this. Put the baking powder, everything that is needed, that is remaining for this cake, the salt, and then mix it together. Now after mixing all the dry together, you start with your egg yolk and the vanilla flavors. Now for this particular recipe, I'm adding my oil now. You can actually use only cream vanilla or white part of vanilla, whatever you want. But for me, I decided to use the normal vanilla extract, the one in liquid form, and the vanilla bean, the one in the natural plant. I mix it together for this recipe. So now you start mixing. You don't have to be hard on it. Then you add your water, 3/4 cup. Now what is 3/4 cup? You already have your measurement cup. The 1/4 cup of your measurement cup times 3 is 3/4 cup. Just use that 1/4 cup and add 3 cups and it will give you 3/4 cup. Now you mix until smooth. As this is going on, don't forget that our egg white is still mixing, whipping seriously. Now after this, we are going to be adding our egg white bit by bit. You can see it is now thick and it's not falling off from the whipping attachment. Now remove it from the mixer and start folding it into your batter, doing this 3 times, gradually 3 times, so that it will not overflow the bowl. I'm adding another one as I keep mixing. Now I want you to know one secret about this mixture. Immediately after mixing, make sure before you start this mixing, your pan is already prepared, waiting for you. So I'm adding the final one now. The reason is this: as soon as you finish mixing, pour into your pan. There should be no room to keep it to rest on a table, else your egg white will deflate and you will not get the best texture of the cake. It will flatten. Now I poured everything into the pan. I am taking it straight to the oven as there is no time to waste. If you don't do it this way, everything you have mixed, the egg white will deflate and your cake will go bottom, thereby giving you something like biscuit, which you wouldn't like. Now this is the final baking. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.